y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on a Kentucky brand, so I'm very excited to bring this to you guys today. First off, this is not sponsored. They sent me these and I was like, oh my god, it's a Kentucky brand. Like, I just really wanted to showcase these on my channel. And then also, you know, it's sports season, like basketball, baseball. I think baseball just ended. Listen, I'm not a big sports fan. Charles is. I'm not. So I thought, oh, I could do like a sports theme look today to match this. So then I was like, that would be kind of fake of me because I'm not like the biggest sports fan. I love basketball, but I don't ever hardly watch it. But one thing that I do watch and love is Glee. So I'm going to do a look today as if I were a Glee Cheerio cheerleader. Just a simple little look. You can wear it like anytime or anywhere. But let me show you what the product is first. So these are by a brand called Kour. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Kour. And these are dual color sticks. And you can get these customized and you can get these in your school colors. So like my school colors are blue and white, but there's not blue and white here. That's why I decided to do the Cheerios because their colors are red, white, and black. And here's red, white, and black. But you could always, like, I could message her and say, hey, can I get a blue and white? And she would send me a blue and white. She would create a blue and white. So it's really cool. These are kind of like liquid lipsticks. So they dry down matte and they stick. They're not supposed to stain, but I did swatch a couple on my hand earlier just trying to do a rub off. It did stain a little bit, but when I used the makeup wipe, it came right off and I had no issues. So it doesn't stain, if you know what I mean. Or it's not supposed to. So the colors she sent me are orange and black. She actually sent me two of these. I think that might have been a mistake or something. But there's two of these. There is a white and maroon. And then there's a red and yellow. So whatever your school colors are, you can order those and then, or you can like ask her to make your school colors. So like I said, I'm going to go with the black, the red, and the white. She also sent this cool little flyer here to show like you can make like the football lines on your face or whatever with these. These will be super easy. You just have to swipe them. I'm not going to do that today because Halloween just ended and I don't want to post a picture to Instagram that looks Halloweenish. So I'm going to do like an everyday look that you can do with this. Because if you buy a product like this, you wouldn't want to just use it for only this. Most of us wouldn't. If we pay money for it, we want to be able to use it as much as we can. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it as like an eyeliner and do like a cute little liner look. But yeah, there's some really cool ideas on here. I'm also going to use it as liquid lipstick. So let's go ahead and get started. I should also mention that these are made in the US and they are hypoallergenic. So if that's important to you, that's what these are. So to start off, I'm going to give myself just a little bit of a shadow, an eyeshadow, just so that I have some kind of a base here. I don't like to put a lot of stuff down here anymore. I try to focus everything above my crease because I do have hooded eyes and you can't really see this anyways unless I close my eyes. So I just like to dab a little bit of like, this is Sigma eyeshadow primer stick, and this is in the shade Earthen, and it just kind of gives my eyes like a very contoured look. Like it just kind of evens my lids out a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of shimmer. This is the ColourPop 7th Heaven shimmer, and I'm just gonna like tap that over just to give myself a little something down here. But that's not gonna be like the main focus. Okay, so for this part, I want to do like little circles, like, you know, the Cheerios, okay? So I'm going to do like a cute little circle-y thing, and to do that, I'm going to, because I want it to be like a hollowed out circle, like a Cheerio, like a donut, you know? So I'm going to take apart this pencil and use this little part right here to dip into it so that I can like place little circles around. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place a little bit of each of the colors on the back of my hand, like so that I can just dip that in. I'm going to start off with the white. I'm going to dip some of the red on there, and I'm going to dip some of the black on there. These two pink things, that's like a tinted cheek tint stuff that I swatched earlier, and it's a stain, so it didn't come off. Now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to dip it right in the white. I'm just going to stamp it on there. And then I'm just going to clean that off with a makeup wipe. And I'm going to do the same thing with the red, and I'm going to overlap it a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the black. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I get to the end, alternating colors. I do have hooded eyes, so it has transferred a little bit right here. So I'm going to, after it dries, I'll clean that up, but I just want to let it dry first so it doesn't transfer more. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera. I'm going to say that you definitely need to let these dry down before you do anything to them, because they will smear before they're dried down. After they're dried down, they're fine. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of shadow to my lower lash line. And I'm going to curve it up like that. I'm just blending it out with some red, which I freaking made a mess out of here. I'm going to put a little highlighter in the inner corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and use these for lipstick. I'm going to outline with a black. And then I'm going to fill it in with the red. And then I'm just going to blend it together. I'm going to throw on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I also added a little bit of this Morphe coconut liner to my waterline. And this is it. This is the finished look. This is what I would look like if I was a Glee Cheerio cheerleader. I hope you guys check out this brand. I will link all of the information down below, and it is Kour Color Sticks. Like I said, it is a US brand and it's a Kentucky brand. So I hope you guys will support, especially if you need team colors. You can go on there and get yours customized. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.